15 Mediterranean-style homes. When it comes to Mediterranean decor, think Ornate. This living space designed by PHC Architecture has many Mediterranean elements, such as wide, exposed ceiling beams and arched walkways. We love the Baroque chandelier centered in the middle of the space, which feels historic and classic. If you can't handle a total renovation, consider adding tiled accents throughout your home to bring in a Mediterranean feel. This staircase from Roberta Easton featured red clay tile work that feels utterly Spanish, and is warm and inviting. Adding clay tiles to a bathroom or a kitchen backsplash is an even easier way to channel Spanish vibes throughout your home. Looking for instant sunroom inspiration? This screened-in porch from form and function is the perfect room to lounge away the afternoon. The clay tilework, shades of Morocco here, the oversized plants, and the classic wooden furniture transport you to a Mediterranean paradise. Just add a glass of wine, and you never even need to step on a plane. This stunning sun deck by Mark Cutler Design features a breathtaking timber wood ceiling and wide stone archways looking out onto the garden. The furniture upholstery brings in rich reds and oranges that brighten up the rustic wood elements. It almost resembles something you'd expect to see in a painting of 18th century Spain or Portugal. While many Mediterranean-style homes feature a rich, colorful palette, there are also many examples of rustic elegance that maintains a minimalistic feel. This living space from Blackstead Design Consultants may rely on bright neutrals to keep the space simple, but the exposed ceiling beams and classic chandelier give it a Mediterranean feel. Your staircase is often the first thing guests see when they walk into your home, so why not make it a work of art? This amazing tiled staircase from Jacquard Interiors is incredibly festive and colorful, but doesn't overpower the space. This Mediterranean design approach allows you to mix up patterns and colors to create a stunning focal point in your home. Tiles don't need to be limited to a wall or floor. This tiled fireplace from Brumley Gap Designs draws the eye into the room in a subtle manner, keeping with the room's minimalist twist on Spanish-influenced design. The heavy, almost medieval trunk completes the space. This home featured by Bierfers Real Estate is absolutely stunning and gives us major vacation feels. The tiled staircase and light natural stone flooring are a wonderful contrast to the deep navy blue walls that channel the ocean and bring the feel of the sea indoors. Meanwhile, the exposed beams add a Southern European touch perfectly in keeping with Mediterranean style. If you're lucky enough to have a stunning view like this home by Janet Brooks Design, it's important to center your design around it. This living room is extremely mindful of the outdoors and creates an indoor-outdoor feel with a wide-open patio. There's a lovely contrast between the deep, dark ceiling wood and the light limestone flooring and neutral walls that adds depth to the space. It's the perfect meeting point between Mediterranean and Californian design philosophies. Textured walls like these from Blue Copper Design are another key element of Mediterranean design. Consider stucco or plastered walls to add dimension and depth to a space with texture. The rounded fireplace and curved lines of this room also provide a soothing, Greek-influenced vibe, which sets off the floor's aged, rough-hewn texture. Natural materials like granite and limestone help bring the outdoors in and lend a homey, earthy feel to any space. This kitchen from Deval Kitchens is modern but rustic and makes us yearn for a sunny kitchen in Italy. Consider swapping stainless steel or porcelain for natural stones in your kitchen or bathroom for a Mediterranean feel. This rustic, wonderfully simple bedroom from Architetto Fabrizia Frezza gives us major Italian vibes. We love the white textured walls and the simple brass sconces that are the perfect blend of ornate and minimalist. Add in woven baskets and crisp linen bedding to provide a summer feel all year long. Reminiscent of a Greek island house, this living room by Mandy Cheng Design is everything we love about Mediterranean design. The natural wicker accents and simple palette provide the perfect backdrop for the stunning centerpiece of a sectional, which makes a big statement with an unexpected burst of color. This open kitchen from Vanguard Studio is the perfect example of modern Mediterranean design, with rich wood accents and expansive marble countertops. Between the original wooden beams, natural wood flooring, and oversized kitchen chairs, there are multiple tones and shades of wood that give this space a Spanish feel, but in a way that feels distinctly separate from older, more traditional Mediterranean style. The stunning stone walls and floors and the tall exposed ceilings in this house by BCV architects are extremely Mediterranean chic. Though this home is situated in California, it feels like it could be overlooking the Mediterranean Sea instead, and the indoor-outdoor living scheme is perfectly at home in either location. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.